E-cigarettes are massively popular, but even though thousands of people across the United States vape, health officials say it's very unhealthy.
Yeah, it can cause damage to your heart, your lungs, and even your mouth. News4Jax reporter Vic Micolucci has more from a local dentist.
Vaping and e-cigarettes are bad, but they are more popular than ever, with 1 in 20 Americans using them. While their popularity has increased, they can pose a serious risk to your oral health. Dr. Carrie Birdie with Birdie Dental Group joining us this morning to highlight the risks that go along with vaping and e-cigarette use. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Thank you for having me on.
Look, you go a lot of places and you see some people switching from the traditional tobacco products, it would be cigarettes and cigars, to using these vaping devices. Some of us think that they're safer, but doctors are saying no, not the case.
So vaping devices and e-cigarettes have been touted to the public as a safer alternative to your traditional tobacco use, such as smoking cigarettes or using chewing tobacco. While that may be true, just because it's safer still doesn't mean it's safe. We found that we really don't have a whole lot of research on the long-term effects of e-cigarettes and vaping at this point. So I'd be very cautious to use any of these types of devices, even if it is a slightly safer alternative. They can still have some major consequences on your overall health. And in particular, my concern is your oral health, the effects on that.
Yeah, so let's talk about, your specific area of expertise, which would be the mouth. What are the specific effects there?
So we do have some studies, and one showed in 2018 that we looked at teeth that have been exposed to e-cigarette vaping, and we found that you've actually got more bacteria that accumulates on the tooth, primarily in the grooves and pits of a tooth. And that, as any dentist knows, can lead to higher incidence of decay rates, gum disease, bone loss, and particularly tooth loss. So if you want to keep your teeth and have an oral, healthy environment, you really got to avoid vaping and e-cigarettes and primarily any form of smoking.
Mm-hmm. So obviously you're going to pay money to buy those vaping devices, the e-cigarettes, but then you're probably going to be paying more money at the dentist's office as well.
Absolutely. We see in smokers, you have a decreased ability to heal. You have higher incidences of gum disease and bone loss and eventually tooth loss. And, all these things require treatment. Some of them are more expensive than others. Really, the best thing always is prevention and hopefully kicking the habit altogether. Now, if these devices can help you kick this habit, that's great, but you still have this habit that, again, isn't totally safe, and we don't have long-term studies to show whether or not they truly are safe. And again, just because it's safer doesn't mean it's totally safe. So you really got to be considerate of what you're putting into your mouth and your body overall.
So I want to ask you this, Doc. Can you reverse some of the effects? If you have been vaping, you want to get off, and you want to go to a dentist and make things right.
So at Birdie Dental Group, we've treated many patients that either smoke or use vaping devices, e-cigarettes, et cetera. And we really want to make sure that we're catching, hopefully, these effects of these things early on, because it's much easier to treat. Hopefully, if we nip it in the bud, so to speak, we can avoid some costly treatments or even some life-threatening treatments. So it's really important to have regular checkups with your dentist, primarily if you are a smoker or a vapor, so we can always check for signs of oral cancer. You're at a much higher risk for these types of things, which can be deadly. So we really want to avoid that and catch it early if you do have an issue like that.
Yeah, so obviously you talked about the health risks. There are also some risks with your cosmetics, with those pearly whites. They just might not look that good.
Absolutely. We know smokers, causes yellowing of the teeth, bad breath, again, tooth loss, and these are all major cosmetic issues, but also a health issue. If you're missing teeth and you can't smile, that has detrimental effects on your mental health as well. We want you smiling and having, beautiful mouth for everybody to look at, and something that you can enjoy and make everybody else happy when they meet you and greet you and live your life.
Absolutely. Yeah, we want all of our viewers, everybody at home, to be healthy, to live their best lives, and that's why we bring segments like this. Dr. Carrie Birdie with the Birdie Dental Group, thank you so much for your time this morning.
Thanks for having me on.